Perhaps the most complex, challenging, difficult thing that you can possibly do at your business is to partner with somebody. Partnerships are something that offers, on the one hand, enormous rewards. You can divide and conquer, you can share the burden. It's somebody to face the challenges of the business with together, right? On the other hand, business partnerships have the potential to ruin family ties, ruin friendships, ruin marriages, ruin things when they go sour, and they quite often go sour. There's a lot of reasons for that. If you are thinking of partnering with somebody, you really need to think long and hard about exactly how you approach the subject. Number one, you have to divide responsibilities according, to skill sets and according to what people want, their preferences beforehand. You can't go into a partnership with just a bunch of feel good, have a partnership, transpire legally speaking, you divide up the company, you do whatever, and then find out that one person wants to do 10% of the work and the other person wants to do 90% of the work, or is forced to do 90, because that will build resentment. You also can't go into a partnership where you have people wanting an inequitable split of the money, right? You have situations where one person feels that they're due 70% of the money and another person feels they're due 70% of the money, and there's a 40% argument going on there that quickly just takes down the whole company. You also have situations where partners want to go in different directions or have different priorities. For example, one partner may be concerned with marketing and sales. The other person may be concerned with the competition, for example, or something like that. And you wind up with people that are, doing completely different things and dragging the company in multiple directions at once and tearing it apart. Partnerships need to be something that is equitable, fair, balanced, and above all else, gone into with both parties or multiple parties, however many people it is, with their eyes wide open. One of the things that's the worst about partnerships, something that occurs that's just terrible, is when the money hasn't even come in yet. I've seen this so many times. The money has not even come in yet, meaning it's a new business venture, right? And a few people get together and they're going to start a business. Maybe it's a couple people, it doesn't matter. And before a nickel has come in, people are dividing up the profits and worried about the pie, right? They're worried about what they're going to get. Now, it's important to get it in writing what everybody is going to get. But when it comes to partnerships, you'll have people who really show where they're coming from by worrying more about the money that doesn't exist yet than about generating the money. There's lots of situations like this where, people are just not on the same page, and it winds up just destroying a friendship. I had a good friendship with somebody destroyed through a business partnership with a third party where we were going to work together, and then there was another person that came in, and, things just didn't work out. All of us are good people. It just didn't work out. It just wasn't in the cards to form a business together. In the end, resentments form, ends up ruining the entire business for everyone involved. It ruins friendships. It's not worth it to do that. Think long and hard about your partnership and who you're partnering with. Make sure that you spell out the particulars of your partnership in totality on paper before any work gets done. Make sure that if you're going to partner with somebody, you know their track record and their history. Pay attention to who this person is. Pay attention to everything about them. You don't want surprises down the road. You find a good partnership, really protect it. It's rare. It's something that's important in life to hang on to. It's something that's important to, to look at long term, because if you do get a good partnership and you work with somebody where the two of you work together well, or the three of you or the 10 of you or whatever, that's something worth protecting because it's so rare. Remember the old saying, no ship sinks like a partnership. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like it, feel free to subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and comment below. We'd love to hear from you.